according to Islamic calendar, today we have 22 Jamadi-Thani 1445 Hijri and the day is Yawmul Jummah. Okay, class 7 HIFZ. Today we will start our topic about speed. This is from unit number 9 and we will continue our topic of speed. First of all, we will learn that what is speed, how we can calculate the speed, and in which units we can measure the speed of different objects. Okay. First of all, we will learn that what is speed. What is speed? What do you understand by this term? And after that, you will see that how we can calculate the speed of different objects. Then after that, you will learn that in which units the speed of different objects can be measured. Yes, these things are clear to you that I have told to you. Yes, class, please tell me. Okay, now we will see that what is speed. The speed of an object is defined as the distance travelled by the object per unit time. The speed of an object is defined as the distance travelled by an object per unit time. Let's suppose if an object is moving and the object is covering a distance and taking some time off, obviously to cover the distance there is a requirement of time. So we can say that the speed of an object can be defined as the distance travelled by an object divided by per unit time, and you can write here time taken by the object to cover the distance. Now what I have right here, speed is equals to distance travelled divided by time taken. Okay, by this formula we can calculate the speed of different objects that are moving with some speed. Okay. Now let's suppose a car is covering a distance. If a car is moving, obviously the car will cover a distance. If a car is covering a distance, obviously there is the requirement of time. The car will cover a distance in some time. Okay. When we will divide the distance of that car divided by the time taken, then you will get the speed of that car. Okay. So we can explain that speed can be defined as the distance travelled by an object in per unit time will be known as speed. Yes, class. Is it clear to all of you? I have defined to you and the formula is written in front of you that speed is equals to distance travelled divided by time taken. Yes, class 7 HIFZ. It is clear to all of you? Yes, now please tell me what thing is indicating speed? Which thing is indicating by speed? That what is speed? That is distance travelled divided by time taken. But we can explain that the speed of an object indicates how fast it is moving. The speed of an object indicates the speed of an object indicates how fast it is moving. How fast it is moving. Yes, is it clear to all of you? The speed of an object indicates that how fast it is moving. Okay, obviously when an object is moving it has speed, and how we can get the speed? We can get speed by distance travelled divided this by time taken, then we get the speed of an object, and after taking the speed we can say that the speed of an object indicates that how fast it is moving in required time or in given time. Okay, is it clear to all of you? After that, we will see that speed can be expressed in different units. After that, we will see that speed can be expressed. This is the formula for speed is equals to distance traveled divided by time taken. And this indicates that the speed of an object indicates that how fast it is moving. Okay. Now, speed can be measured in different units such as kilometer per hour, meter per second, centimeter per second. Speed can be measured in different units such as kilometer per hour, meter per second, centimeter per second, meter per minute. Okay. Speed can be measured in different units like kilometer per hour, meter per second, centimeter per second and meter per minute. Okay, how we can say that these are the units of speed? Actually, distance can be measured in different units like centimeters, meters, kilometers. Centimeter is the smallest unit, then we have meter, then we have kilometer. The bigger distance can be measured in kilometers, and also if there is a smaller or shortest distance, they can be measured in centimeters, meters. Okay, but bigger values can be calculated in bigger units like kilometers. Similarly, the time have units. The units of times are second, and the bigger one minutes, and the biggest one hour. Okay. Now, there should be the distance, units of distance, and there should be the units of time. So we can measure the speed of an object in kilometer per hour, can be in meter per second, can be in centimeter per second, and can be meter per minute. These all are the units you can use to measure the speed. Yes, all these things are clear to all of you? Okay, I have told you that speed can be measured as distance traveled by an object per unit time, that will be known as speed. After that, we see that the speed of an object indicates that how much fast it is moving. Now, after that, speed can be measured in different units like kilometer per hour, meter per second, centimeter per second, and meter per minute. Okay, it's all about speed. Now, we can calculate the speed of different objects by solving some questions. Okay, class, now get ready for the solution. You should get ready for the solution. Okay, class, I am writing a question for you people to calculate the speed. I am writing a question here. Okay. Okay, class. Let's suppose there is a question. Question 1, that is, if a car is covering a distance, if the car is covering a distance in some time, then we have to calculate the speed of car. Let's suppose the car is covering a distance of 20 kilometers in 5 hours. The car is covering a distance of 20 kilometers in 5 hours. Calculate the speed. Calculate the speed in kilometers per hour. Calculate the speed in kilometers per hour. There is a problem. There is a question. that is given to you. The car is covering a distance of 20 kilometers in 5 hours. Calculate the speed in kilometer per hour. Okay. First of all, what will we do? You all of know that we have to write the formula. We have to write the formula for speed. I have told to you that speed is equals to, for solution we will write that. What is speed? We will write the formula for speed. Speed is equals to distance traveled by an object. Distance traveled divided by time taken. Yes, is it clear to you, my dear students? After write down the question, I have write down the formula of speed, that is speed is equals to distance traveled divided by time taken. Now I will read my question again and find the values of distance and time, and then I will put the values here. Okay, please tell me, the car is covering a distance of 20 kilometers. Means the distance traveled is given by 20 kilometers. 20 kilometers, and the time taken is given by in 5 hours. In 5 hours. Okay, I have put all the values in the formula. After calculating, after cutting these values or dividing these values, I will get the answer of speed. Okay. Okay, class. Now, speed. What will be the speed? 5 1 is 5. I will cut the values. 5 4 are 20. It means speed will be equals to 4 kilometer per hour. 4 kilometer per hour. Yes, it is clear to all of you. Please tell me, class, all these things that I have explained to you is clear to you? Okay, I have write that speed is equals to distance travelled divided by time taken. Speed is equals to, the car has covered the distance of 20 kilometers in 5 hours. Time taken is 5 hours. I have cut the values. 5 1 is 5, 5 4 is 20. Now the final answer for speed is 4 kilometers per hour. Is it clear to all of you, my dear students? Okay. Now we will solve another question. This question has a solution that speed is equals to 4 kilometers per hour. Yes. Okay. Noted it? Okay. Now we will do another part that is related to speed. Okay, we have a question that if a car, question number 2 is, question number 2, the train is moving with the speed, the train is traveling with the speed of, the train is traveling and covering the distance and covering 50 meters in 50 seconds. Find the speed of car, find the speed of train in meter per second. This is the question that you have to calculate the speed of a train that is traveling and covering 50 meters in 50 seconds. Find the speed of train in meter per second. Okay class, now we will calculate the speed of this train. Now speed of train will be calculated as, speed will be equals to distance traveled. All of you know that the formula, distance traveled divided by time taken. Yes, is it clear to all of you? Okay, now we will write down the values here. Speed is equals to distance traveled, and the distance is in meters, that is 50 meters. Now we will divide this by time, and the time is 50 seconds. 50 seconds. The train is covering the distance of 50 meters in 50 seconds. So we will calculate the speed by putting the values in formula, that is distance travelled divided by time taken. Then it will be equals to 50 meters divided by 50 seconds. Now you people know that 50 will be cut by 50, 51 to 50. Then your answer will be 1 meter per second. What does it mean? The speed of a train is 1 meter per second. 1 meter per second. It means the train is covering the distance of 1 meter in 1 second. The train is covering the distance of 1 meter in 1 second, so that the train is covering 50 meters in 50 seconds. It is very interesting. It is very interesting, as we have calculated the speed of a train that is covering the distance of 50 meters in 50 seconds. So, to calculate the speed, we have write the formula here, distance traveled divided by time taken. Now, speed is equals to 50 meter divided by 50 seconds. What does it mean? Speed is covering the distance of 1 meter in 1 second. 1 meter per second. What does it mean? It is indicating that the train is moving 1 meter distance in 1 second. The train is covering 1 meter distance in 1 second. Yes, is it clear to all of you? Okay, now I will give you a homework and you have to complete your task of your homework. It is very interesting. You have to calculate the simply speed of different objects that is given to you, and it can be calculated in kilometer per hour, meter per second, meter per minute. Okay, it is depending on your question, that what kind of questions you have and how you can calculate the speed. Now your homework is related to your speed problems. This topic we have discussed today, it was speed. In speed we have discussed different points, and according to that different points you will have to complete your homework task. Homework task will be, you have to revise the dot concept, related to speed. Now, it's an activity for you people that you have to solve two questions. Related to speed of two different objects. You can make questions. You will make questions by yourself. Okay class, I have write your homework in front of you. Revise the dot concept related to speed. Solve two questions related to speed of two different objects. You will make questions by yourself. Okay, it's a task to you. You have to complete this task. Then I will check your work. In this task, you have to take a distance and the time of any object. It can be a car, it can be a particle, it can be a train. It's up to you. You will get interest by taking these values and you will do it, inshallah. Now, you have to make questions by yourself, okay, and then you will calculate the speed of that objects, that whatever, it's up to you. What do you think you want to take the values, okay? This is your homework. It's all about today, okay? Take care and Allah Hafiz.